Now we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 41. Let me show you a simple polygon design so that we've used the tool for something interesting. Left click on your canvas once it's active, make it 6 sides. We want to have a stroke color, make it black. Let's start with 1 point. And the fill should be set to none right here. That's our starting point. Don't worry about the size. Hover over the edge and rotate it while holding shift. You want to rotate it so that one corner is at the top and bottom, so not a flat line on top and bottom. That should be 90 degrees. And then size it up holding shift and control, and then size it up holding shift. Make sure it's selected and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V so we have a copy right here. We show that again, so we have 2, and I position the copy directly on top of the other one. And now again, I hold Shift, and this time I also hold Alt and resize it, maybe up to here. So it's now smaller, but still in center of the bigger one. Now I activate the pen tool, go to the top anchor, left click, go to the bottom, left click again. And to deselect it, you can simply hold Ctrl and left click on your canvas, and then you can start fresh with the next line. Just follow along here. We need 3 of these smaller lines. And then we go right here and make a longer line to the center. The center should pop up with these smart guides, and then go to the other corner again, hold Ctrl, left click on your canvas to deselect, and we add 1 more line from the bottom to the center. Let me increase the weight maybe to 5 points, and that would be a simple hexagon design. It's kind of like a 3D cube in cube illusion. Try to recreate it and then come back for the next tutorial.